guys, I'm Mark.
I'm Karen.
And today is day 5 and we're going to start by...
Right, what we're going to do today is I'm going to finish off doing the ceiling, getting all the wallpaper off. I've done this bit so that Mark can get to this side of the wall. And then when I've done that today, I'm going to start on the back wall here, front wall and the back wall, and get all the wallpaper off. And
lovely. And so then I'm going to concentrate on this today. I'm going to be putting up 3x2s, and I'm aiming to put one on the wall and then another one on top, and to get the actual 5 inches with the plasterboard that I need to set the telly back and the fireplace back 5 inches in the wall. So that's why I'm not too worried about that. We just wanted to have that flat when we did that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to work out where the telly's going to go. So we've worked out the telly's here now. If you have it fitted by a proper firm, they recommend that for a 55-inch TV or 50-inch TV, which ours is we've got on here, that the ideal height is 61 inches from the floor. So I've marked up 61 inches from the floor to get the centre line. Then they've come out the actual width, which is 50 inches, is to this point here, and then around an inch each side and an inch at the top and bottom to allow you to, once I've got the frame on, to hook it enough room to be able to hook the TV on. This is going to be all painted black, and then the outside pieces are all going to be painted black on the inside, so when the telly sits in, it's just going to be a black recess. I'm also going to leave out a space here for a sound bar that I've got, and then down here is going to be the TV, and as you can the actual fireplace. As you can see, we've got power here, which is great, so I can incorporate that in the design, so we can work out where we can plug in the TV, the fire and the box.
And I've got to say that that was a fantastic idea of Mark's, because I was going to think about putting the telly here, and of course it's more central to sit here, so it's better to sit here rather than over here.
Yeah, so I measured from the wall there to the end of the wall here, to get the centre point, because obviously when we're sitting over there, when we've got our sofas down, it's nice to have the actual fireplace and the TV dead centre of the wall. It's more pleasing to the eye.
And that was his idea.
It was my idea, obviously. It's my idea.
And I agreed.
It's my idea. So we're going to put you on time lapse now, and let's see how we go. So guys, a few of you see the way I was putting these screws in. Well, I bought some of these fixings. I bought these fixings, and apparently they're meant to they're like frame fixings. They're meant to fix straight into the wall, but to be honest with you, I wasn't happy with that, and they wasn't very secure. So I actually got some hammer fixings. Some of these hammer fixings, and basically you just drill the hole straight through the wood and bang them in and then tighten them. They was working very well, but most of the time I've just gone through, drilled a hole in the wood with a wood drill and touch the back of the wall so I can get a mark, and then I've gone right through with a masonry bit, and then I've just used one of these raw plugs with a 4-inch screw, pushed it through, give it a tap and screwed it up, and I found that seems to be more secure than the other fittings. Again, the hammer fixing, that seems to work really well, but this is just as well, and it's a lot cheaper. So now the next part I'm doing is I've obviously done some uprights. I've worked out where the sheet of plasterboard is coming from the end to the middle of this upright here. There are 1200 sheets, so that would be in the middle of there where it's going to come onto. So I've got 8x4 sheets, so basically it's going to be the whole sheet across here. So I'm just putting these pieces across, and I will also put a couple of bits behind it, but I mean that's secure, you wouldn't be able to push that in anyway, but I'll probably put a few uprights, and I might put a piece behind there and an upright in between just to give it more strength. But because we're using 12.5 plasterboard, it's much thicker anyway, and the chances of someone sort of banging on it and it breaking is very low. But again, I will put some in. So I'll do some more time lapse for you guys and show you how it's getting on. I've left it as it is because that's going to allow air circulate in the chimney. There's no water, any dampness coming on, and this is away 5 inches from the wall anyway. I will be cementing that half in, so I'll do a bit more time lapsing in a while, guys, and I'll catch you later. Oh yeah, any comments that obviously if you know a different way or found different fixings that is easier to use, then please comment below and let me know. Again, this is a learning curve for me and Karen, and even though I've done a bit of building work and a bit of DIY, there's always people that are professionals that have done it, or you may have done it yourself, DIY, and found an easy way of doing it. But I mean this, I'm pretty happy with this. This is sturdy as anything. As you know, at the moment materials are expensive, but at the end of the day you've got to do a good job. You've got to have it secure to put the plasterboard on before I have it all skimmed and plastered. So with that said, guys, I'll stick you on a time lapse and we'll carry on.